Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Being an imaginative and especially one-of-a-kind token, Nexo can flaunt high utility, so it's nothing unexpected. It has been very well known of late. Individuals are puzzling over whether it truly is certainly worth putting resources into Nexo and what's to come for the most part holds for this cash, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In this video, we will show you our Nexo value forecast and offer why we in a real sense think it is a sort of wise venture. Nexo overview in a significant manner. Made in 2018, Nexo for the most part is a digital money in view of the Ethereum blockchain. It especially utilizes the ERC20 symbolic norm. Nexo flaunts many elements that make it novel and a wise venture. Here are some of them. Nexo in a real sense offers moment credits to individuals who generally need to involve their digital forms of money as security. This implies you can in every way that really matters, acquire cash against certainly your crypto possessions without selling them. Nexo has an association with Credissimo, one of Europe's driving monetary organizations. This gives Nexo essentially validity and really shows that it is here to remain for the most part. Nexo pays interest on all stores made on their foundation. This is an extraordinary method for procuring automated revenue and one reason why we think Nexo is a sort of strong speculation decision in a significant manner. The interest for moment advances involving digital currencies as guarantee truly is developing, and Nexo really is one of the unmistakable stages here. Nexo technical analysis in an unobtrusive manner. As per verifiable information, Nexo is by all accounts a digital money with mooning extremely potential. It answers well to crypto market changes and has sufficient standard help to shoot up in esteem. The Nexo by and large token as of now just has half of its kind of all-out supply available for use, which basically is genuinely huge. The digital currency's market capitalization is, in any event, at the hour of composing, inside the best 100 on CoinMarketCap in a really significant manner. These things highlight Nexo having great long-haul possibilities. Here is the Nexo specialized examination performed by TradingView and refreshed progressively, which generally is genuinely critical. In the event that it in every practical sense, is giving a purchase signal, the latest thing is bullish, and Nexo's cost generally is somewhat prone to ascend sooner rather than later. On the off chance that the gadget gives a sell signal, the cost of the Nexo digital money could go down in the next few days or hours. Nexo price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Nexo costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Nexo will really be 83 cents. The in every practical sense, greatest level that the Nexo cost can reach is 93 cents. The sort of typical exchanging cost truly is normal around 86 cents in an unpretentious manner. Nexo price forecast for September 2022. In light of the value variances of Nexo toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the exceptionally normal Nexo pace of 79 cents in September 2022 in an unobtrusive way. Its pace and kind of greatest costs can, all things considered, be normal at 72 cents and at 81 cents, individually. October 2022, Nexo price forecast. Cryptographic money specialists are fundamentally prepared to by and large report their conjecture for the Nexo cost in October 2022, or so they thought. The base exchanging cost may be 79 cents, while the in every way that really matters, most extreme could especially reach 85 cents during this month in an unpretentious manner. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Nexo could be around 82 cents. Nexo price forecast for November 2022. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value changes of Nexo in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Nexo rate they foresee could in a real sense be around 85 cents in November 2022, which is very critical. It can drop to 82 cents as a really least. The most extreme worth could truly be 89 cents in an unobtrusive manner. December 2022, Nexo price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Nexo cost will be exchanged at 86 cents on for the most part normal in a significant manner. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Nexo worth to 93 cents. It for the most part is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 83 cents in December 2022, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nexo Price Prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Nexo in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the extremely least cost of Nexo will in every practical sense, be around $1.23, which is genuinely huge. The greatest expected Nexo cost may basically be around $1.53, or so they thought. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $1.27 in 2023. Nexo Price Prediction 2024, which is genuinely huge. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Nexo, in 2024, Nexo is supposed to have the accompanying least and sort of greatest costs, about $1.74 and $2.13, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $1.81. Nexo Price Prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have dissected the costs of Nexo and their vacillations during the earlier years in an unobtrusive manner. It fundamentally is accepted that in 2025, the base Nexo cost could drop to $2.66, while its most extreme can reach $3.11. By and large, the exchanging cost will fundamentally be around $2.73. Nexo Price Prediction 2026 in a very enormous manner. In light of the examination of the expenses of Nexo by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least Nexo costs especially are normal in 2026, $4.56 and $3.68. By and large, it will be exchanged at $3.82. Nexo Price Prediction 2027. Crypto specialists essentially are continually examining the changes of Nexo. In light of their expectations, the assessed in every way that really matters, normal Nexo cost will be around $5.88 in an especially significant manner. It could drop to an essentially least of $5.69, yet it actually could reach $6.42 all through 2027, which especially is genuinely critical. Nexo Price Prediction 2028, or so they thought. Consistently, digital currency specialists by and large get ready figures at the cost of Nexo. It is assessed that Nexo will in a real sense be exchanged somewhere in the range of $7.98 and $9.69 in 2028, or so they especially thought. It's in every way that really matters. Normal expense is normal at around $8.21.